They say that before you die, your light will flash before your eyes. But the question is it worth watching? Some people say that having money is the most important thing. You spend your life wasting your time by doing a job you don't like. But 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones you did do. Sometimes, we go further to find happiness, to create memories that we will treasure for the rest of our lives. We cannot just exist. We must do the things that we love and make us happy. So let's see the world and experience what this life can offer.